Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. If you are not aware, I do have a giveaway going on right now. I am giving away a conspiracy palette and a controversy palette. So if you want to get in on that, jump down below. Let's see. There's other information down there if you're interested. Today I have for you Ipsy Ultimate. So tracking was super weird. I got tracking information on Thursday. I don't know. Sometime last week I got tracking. It said that one was supposed to come on Saturday, one was supposed to come on Tuesday, and then all of a sudden I looked again and I was supposed to be getting both of them Saturday, and then Ultimate never showed up. And I looked at the tracking again and it reverted back to Tuesday, but here it is Monday on a day where there's not supposed to be any mail delivered. So I don't know, it was just a little wonky. But Ipsy Ultimate is a beauty box in a chain of Ipsy. You get a regular bag. I think they upped that to $12. They have an Ipsy Plus, which is $25, and then this one is $50 or $49 and some change. And let's get into it. Now, I have been getting Ipsy Ultimate since they launched it, but I could not tell you when that was. So it's either a month or two ago. But this is what I see on the inside. And I open it up. Ooh, and the bag is, okay, so last month, which was the first month, now that I'm remembering, the bags, I guess, are supposed to get bigger in scale, and that didn't happen last month. I think maybe they ran out of product. I'm not entirely sure, but this is what the bag this month in the Ultimate looks like. So that is super cute. That is cool. So it's like a makeup bag, like a travel makeup bag. That is super cute. Now, I remember last month they did not include prices with the Ultimate, and quite a few people were shocked with that. I am looking in here. I'm not even seeing a card. So I don't know, we'll just start digging. So I do remember that I picked this, a Violet Voss palette, but I picked it knowing that I already own it. So this Violet Voss I will be giving away to one of you guys. It is a beautiful palette. I should have brought mine down so I didn't have to open this box. It is sealed on both sides, but that is what it looks like. Actually, let me go grab my palette. Okay, so I went over there and grabbed my palette, and this is what it looks like on the inside. And it's just really pretty. I will swatch this for you if you guys want me to, but it is the exact same. Let's see. These also don't have names on them, so let's, ooh. My lighting is a little off today, so I apologize for that. Ooh, that's pretty. I just really need to get some lighting, some new lighting. Ooh, that green is super soft. Oh, that's really pretty. And then this is just kind of like a nude or a skin tone that would be a good base. Can't really see it on my skin. That's really pretty. Go down here to this gray one. Oh, that's really soft too. As you can tell, I haven't even had a chance to use this since I bought it. That's pretty. Let's see, let's go into this blue color here. Oh, that's so soft. Oh yeah, lighting is bad. Oh, that's really pretty. Let's see, I'll just stick this one up here. Yeah, okay, so that is what the palette looks like, and I very specifically picked this palette because I already owned it, so. Okay, dokie. The next thing I am pulling out of this box is a brush by Luxie, and I'm not going to take it out of the package. I will just pass that along to one of you guys. The next thing I am pulling out is Oribe Serene Scalp Soothing Leave-On Treatment. I am seeing a duplicate. I don't think that has happened. But, okay, so, ooh, that's really pretty packaging. So it looks like this. Sorry, my lighting is so bad. And I'm sure the directions are on it somewhere, but it's super, super small and I can't see it. So there is that. I will keep that. I mean, as you guys can tell, I have pretty damaged hair. All right. The next thing I am pulling out is the duplicate that I saw, and that is the Boost Serum, the Anti-Wrinkle Boost Serum. So, okay, so the next thing is the GG Contour, and again, I'll be giving that away because I don't contour, so 2 people will get that. The next thing I am pulling out is a Super Oil by Evolve. It doesn't come in a box. Oh, look, I found this. Okay, so this is different. I don't know how I'm feeling about this. So, okay, so it's the Wild Side. It's not even like the typical thing where you get a list of the stuff and it tells you how much they cost. Let's see. Yeah, this, I don't know. I'm not sure exactly what's going on, but this, I don't know what it's just an Evolve Super Oil, and there are no instructions on the bottle. There's not a box with instructions, and there are not any instructions on how to use that on here. So I don't know, that's weird, right? I feel like that's weird. The next thing I am pulling out is a Bestsellers kit by Billion Dollar Brows. And you get a brow pencil with a spoolie. You get a concealer and highlighter brow pencil, and then you get a brow gel, and you get a brush for doing brows. So I'm not going to open that. I will probably just pass that along. The next thing I am pulling out is Pout on Point by Billion Dollar Brows. Okay, this box just threw me off, you guys. I feel like I'm just super. Pout on Point Risque Rose. So that is completely sealed. I am not going to open that. So the next thing I'm pulling out is by Benefit Cosmetics, and it is High Beam, and the box was already opened. And I actually own this, so I will just be passing this along to somebody else. It is a pretty highlighter. I just already own it, and it's not one that I grab for all the time, so. Next thing I am pulling out is a plant-based ingredient body lotion in the scent Seductive, and it's just a travel size. It does have a safety seal, but it does smell pretty good. And then the last thing I'm pulling out here is a contour stick by Trustique, and that in Brazilian Bronze. Like, who is that for? That is definitely not for me. I am so thrown off by this box, you guys. I don't know. This is just weird for me. I don't know. I mean, some of you told me that I should probably complain about last month's box, and I didn't. because, you know, it was just kind of their first box, and I wasn't that disappointed with it or anything, but this is just weird for me, you guys. Like, that, like, not my color. So, you know, I did pick the palette because I did want one of you guys to have a Violet Voss palette. The brush, I'll pass along. A highlighter that I'm going to pass along. I'll keep this, the scalp treatment. But this I got in my plus, and so I'll pass that along. This I got in my plus, so I'll pass that along. This is just something I don't need, so I will pass that along. I don't know, you guys. I think I'm gonna keep the lotion. I'm gonna keep this oil just because I have no idea what it does, and I don't know. Wow, that just really threw me off. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I'm not sure how I feel. I will be emailing customer service though, because I don't feel like this is a box that is worth the $50 or the $49, especially if I'm just going to be getting duplicates from Plus. I think I'll just stick with Plus. I will email them to see what they say about this, but I don't know how I feel. I don't know. I'm not feeling it, you guys. Sorry, Ipsy. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing for what it's worth, and have a great day. Bye. I do think this bag is cute, though. I mean, that's a super cute bag. All right.